Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2024 Ford Transit Custom. Now this one here has done 11,500 miles, but it is still pretty brand spanking new. I'm just going to take you around the vehicle. So this does come with everything you'd expect on a 2024 vehicle, which I will get into as we go around. So this does of course come with radio, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And I will show you the load area at the back now, which is pretty standard as it usually has been. Now this is the short wheelbase model, but it does still come interior lit, and there are some cargoings dotted about beside any load you may want to carry. And even though this has had 13,000 miles, sorry, not 13, 11,500 miles put on it, sorry, there is still a clean, undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner did only use this for light loads. Now just coming around to the back here, the back doors feel lovely and solid with a slight little electric motor in there, just unlocking it for you, giving you more of a solid, secure feeling with the back of this vehicle. As you can see when we shot it as well, it's lovely and solid, unlike in the previous model. Now just taking you around back into the driver's seat now, I'll show you some of the conveniences. It's just beeping at me because the door is open while the engine is running. So first of all, on the steering wheel, as we can see, we do of course have the cruise control and speed limiter, and also lane assist to keep you in those sort of lines just there as well. On the other side, we do have things for the audio and the menu just above here as well. Coming over here is where we have our gear selector, so up for reverse, down for drive, and of course we can put it into manual as well. Parking brake, handbrake is just here. It is a switch, so quite simply that puts it on and that takes it off. I'll pop that back on just while we're doing this short video. So now moving on to the main attraction of the vehicle, the big touchscreen that you can see just here. So first of all, if we want to do our climate control, we can pop this up here. Control our speeds, heated seats for myself, the passenger, heated wing mirrors, should I say, sorry. And we can just pop that down as well. Radio is usually what's shown on here, or Bluetooth, whatever you've got up. We can just go onto home though, connect a phone, for example. If we go into here, we do of course have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on hand to help very simply as well. And if we do just pop into some of the settings, I can show you that we do have lots of things you'd usually see on a vehicle like this, as well as things like voice assist, etc. And then if we hop onto features, we have things, first of all, driver assistant stuff, auto hold, speed limit, water assist, lane keeping, rear view cameras alert, lots of different bits and bobs to go through completely. And then we've got our driving modes, which are fantastic on this vehicle. So we do have normal, eco, sport, which is what I'll be leaving this in, slippery, and towing and hauling as well. So this is packed with pretty much everything you will need. Let's leave it back in sport just there. And if I do just put my foot on the brake to select into reverse, you can see that not only am I close to the vehicle behind, but we have not only parking sensors, but a rear view camera as well. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Ford Transit Custom, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. It will be in the description of this video if you are watching it on YouTube. Or you can check out our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more on this vehicle.